photosynthetic electron transport chain. So through the process of photosynthetic, the electrons can be regarding what released. The electrons, how it can be regarding what transported through who's that? Who's the responsible carry the kinds of regarding electron means commonly called as electron carriers. What are electron carriers? Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, cytochromes, cytochrome B, cytochrome A, cytochrome A3. These are commonly called as what? Electron carriers. So without carrier, the releasing of electron and proton never should be possible to be carried. For here, you have to be learning about recording two important phenomena. What is called as photophosphorylation. Second one, photolysis of water. Yes. What I call photo? This is light. What is phosphorylation? Formations of phosphate. So simple. What do you mean call? Formations of ATP from ADP, the presence of phosphate, to form ATP. That's a cover adenosine triphosphate. How it can be formed from adenosine diphosphate along with the phosphate. So formations of ATP from ADP in the presence of light. That a process commonly called as what? Photophosphorylation. Photophosphorylation generally where is occur is a commonly called as structure of chloroplast. The second one is photolysis of water. What is a photo? Is a light. Lysis is commonly called as what? Breakdown. Which is around the breakdown? Water molecules are there. What is the reaction? 2 molecules of water. After breakdown, which can releasing regarding water? 4 molecules of proton, 4 molecules of electron, and the oxygen. So what is simple phenomena called photosynthesis means? With the help of light, water molecule is breakdown, releasing electron and releasing proton and releasing regarding what electron. That's the commonly called as photolysis of water. Okay, which is essential for regarding water photolysis of water takes place. 3 elements is a must for photolysis of water. First one, chloride ion. Manganese, then calcium. These elements, it's must happen regarding what? Photolysis. Without the concept regarding one element, there is no possible for breakdown of water releasing proton as well as regarding what? Electron. Okay, next. For the process of photophosphorylation, so happen two different kinds of reaction, namely called as cyclic photophosphorylation then non-cyclic photophosphorylation. There are two different kinds of regarding what the phosphorylation types. Namely called the what? Cyclic photophosphorylation and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. What I first want to discuss regarding what non-cyclic photophosphorylation. What do you mean called regarding for non-cyclic? According to structural view, the electrons are expelled. The expelled electrons cannot be reached at a particular site where it's emitting. where he is releasing. From that, the emitted electron and emitted proton never should be possible to return came like this. That to be called regarding what? Non-cyclic photophosphorylation. The emitted electron and emitted proton, after that emittent, again it can be occur on same place is commented regarding what cyclic photosynthesis. So the name also is to indicate that non-cyclic photophosphorylation. What is phosphorylation? Process of formations of ATP from ADP in the presence of light is commonly called as what photophosphorylation. That phosphorylation is to happen in the presence of non-cyclic one. Okay. Yes. For non-cyclic photophosphorylation, they are involving in two pigment system. I am already telling about you. Pigment system 1, pigment system 2. Pigment system, one more name is called the what? Light harvesting center. What are absorbed wavelength of regarding what light is called what? Photosystem 1 has 700 nanometer. Photosystem 2 has regarding what? 680 nanometer. You know already that. Photosystem 1 has more primary pigment, less acyl pigment. Photosystem 2 has more acyl pigments, less primary pigments. You know that. So non-cyclic photophosphorylation, they have to be involving in both photosystem 1 as well as regarding what photosystem 2. Okay. For photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, it happened to be functioning. It is essential to need source of light. So must light. So light, it will be activated to reducing or electron should be regarding what eliminated. So light is must. Which one? Both the photosystem 1 and the photosystem 2. Okay. Among that regarding the photosystem 1 and the photosystem 2, which is first activated? That's a very important one. Photosystem 1 is regarding what the first active. So photosystem 1 is the first active. The electrons are expelled. The emitted electrons are expelled. The emitted electrons whose are first carries a commonly called as FRS. What do we call FRS? Ferredoxine reducing substrate. So expelled electrons from regarding what the photosystem 1 to expelled, the expelled electrons whose to be first observed is commonly called as FRS. What is the meaning of FRS? Ferredoxine reducing substrate. From that, whose are obtained the electrons to reducing compound is called 2 molecules of NADP plus reduced into 2 molecules of NADPH2. First activity of photosystem 1, expelled electrons absorbed regarding what FRS, that's called ferredoxine reducing substrate. From that the electron who are utilized 2 molecules of NADP. After utilizing electron to reduce into NADP, what is it? Nicotinamide adenine diphosphate reduced into nicotinamide adenine dihydrogen phosphate. So how to reducing? From photosystem 1, expelled electrons obtained regarding what FRS, that electron is captured by 2 molecules of NADP plus that 2 molecules of NADP reduced into 2 molecules of NADPH2. If it is reduced like this means who's to be helped for the enzyme, because you know that for physiological compound, respiratory compound, that work it must be carried very rapid or speed means who's to be main help in commonly called as enzyme. You will learn from regarding zoological. So enzyme, it's a must that kinds of process to be carried out. Which enzyme to be carried out that kinds of process commonly called ferredoxine NADP reductase. These enzyme help electron utilization from FRS. Two molecules of NADP reduced to regarding by two molecules of NADP H2. Which enzyme is helping? This enzyme what? Ferredoxin NADP reduced into NADP H2. That's what we call ferredoxin NADP reductase. The reaction to help two molecules of NADP reduced into two molecules of NADP H2. Okay, now come to point. How much amount of electron which are present regarding what a protosperm, everything it can be carried. Work is committed. Here the electron and proton is regarding what? Absent. So whole electron and whole proton, this can be regarding what loss. So happen regarding what empty hole. Who is the common set to fill regarding what? The photosystem. Now where that electron must be came from like this. From photosystem 2. So photosystem 2, how it can be kept from regarding what electrons and proton? That's a very essential like this. So from photosystem 1, whole electron and whole protons are utilized into two molecules of NADP reduced into NADP H2. So empty is happen. That photosystem 1 who's to be filling through regarding but to photosystem 2. Where the photosystem 2 get regarding by the electron and proton. That's mean commonly called as photolyzer water. Because every branch is uptake regarding by the water. Sunlight is blue. That presence of sunlight, the water molecules break down. This is called photolyzer water. So look here. Two molecules of water is a breakdown, releasing oxygen, releasing electron, releasing proton. That's the another indicating to you. Splitting of water molecule, releasing electron, releasing proton, releasing regarding water oxygen. So water molecule is breakdown, electron is uptake by regarding water photosystem 1. The receiving electrons from water from photosystem 2, the electrons are expelled. The electrons are expelled. Expelled electron, it must be carried regarding what? Excited state. After attaining excited, that will call excited to normal level. That will call excited state. After excited state, the electrons are everything to reach photosystem 1. That's why to be common state regarding what photosystem 1. Because the whole electron and whole things regarding what happens. The electron who are common state commonly called what photosystem 2. Photosystem 2 where is received from? Photolyzer water. Who is responsible to fill that kinds of electron through some electron carriers, namely phaeophytin, plastoquinone, cytochrome B6, cytochrome F, plastocyanin. Finally, the electron reach from regarding what to photosystem 1. During transmission of electron, one phosphorylation takes place. Where the phosphorylation takes place mean between cytochrome B6 to cytochrome F. What is the phosphorylation? Formations of ATP from ADP, the presence of red. Do you know already? Anybody know like this? So like that, the electrons are expelled, attaining excited state. After excited states, the whole electron reach from regarding what the photosystem 1 through some electron carriers is namely called as what? Phaeophytin, plus toquinone, cytochrome B6, cytochrome F, and a plus toquinone. During transmission of electron, one phosphorylation takes place between cytochrome B6 to regarding what cytochrome F. Look, what a title? Non-cyclic protophosphate. Okay, here two molecules of NADP is reduced to two molecules of NADPH2. That electron is came from regarding what protosperm 2? No. There was to be commented as what non-cyclic protophosphorylation. Okay. Can I go to one more regarding what technique? Can we call as cyclic protophosphorylation? What are the conditions of regarding what is cyclic protophosphorylation? Some conditions given here. First one, photosystem 1 only remain active. So we need photosystem 1 alone. But non-cyclic protophosphorylation, it's need photosystem 1 and 2. Then photolysis of water does not take place. Third one, requirement of ATP is more. Non-availability of NADP plus. So photosystem 1 only remain active. Photolysis of water does not take place. Requirement of ATP is more, or formations of phosphorylation to be more, like this to be seen. The third one, non-availability of regarding what NADP plus, because non-cyclic protophosphorylation availability NADP, but cyclic non-availability of regarding what NADP plus. Yes, now go to regarding what cyclic. Now come to point. For cyclic protophosphorylation, which is want to be remain is commonly called as what? Photosystem 1 only remain active. What is what's the material? Light. From photosystem 1, the electrons are expelled. The expelled electron which are first receiving is commonly called as like same FRS. What is FRS? Ferredoxin reducing substrate. Like same. From photosystem 1, the electrons are expelled. The expelled electrons whose to be first carried is commonly called as what? FRS. What do you mean like this? Ferredoxin reducing substrate. It's a very essential comment to be here. Here, non-availability of NADP plus. Here it's not available here. So what happened? How much of electron to be received regarding what FRS? That the whole electron without loss, without regarding what losing, that the whole electrons again come back on photosystem 1. That we call cyclic. From photosystem 1, the electrons are expelled. First receive FRS. All electrons are received regarding what FRS. After receiving here, due to non-availability of NADP, the whole electrons again which can be fall back on regarding what the photosystem 1. Who's to be held? The receiving electrons to be again fall back on regarding what the photosystem 1. Some electron carrier, namely called as ferredoxin. Cytochrome B6, cytochrome F, then plastocyanine. Again fall back on recording what about the so electron, 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 electron. So okay, here one available regarding good question to be available here. In non-cyclic protophosphorylation, phosphorylation takes place between regarding where cytochrome B6 to cytochrome F. There are only one phosphorylation takes place. But cyclic phosphorylation, there are two phosphorylation takes place. First phosphorylation takes place between ferredoxin to cytochrome B6. Look here, adenosine diphosphate along with the phosphate to form adenosine triphosphate. This is the first phosphorylation takes place between ferredoxin to regarding or cytochrome B6. The second phosphorylation takes place between adenosine diphosphate along with the regarding phosphate to form regarding adenosine triphosphate between cytochrome B6 to cytochrome F. So, how much electron which must be present regarding the photosystem 1? Those are everything is expired electron receive FRS due to non-availability of NADP on FRS. Whole electron without losing is again fallen regarding what the photosystem 1. That's what to be considered regarding what cyclic protophosphorylation. Okay, now I'm asking question to you. What is different between regarding what cyclic phosphorylation and non-cyclic phosphorylation? Cyclic phosphorylation, which happen electrons are fall back look like cyclic. Non-cyclic phosphorylation, electrons are not possible to fall on cyclic back. That's the first thing. Second thing, 4 layers of water, evaluations of regarding what oxygen does not take place. But there 4 layers of water, evaluation of oxygen is a takes place. It's the second thing. Third thing, there are only one phosphorylation takes place regarding what non-cyclic protophosphorylation. But cyclic phosphorylation they can happen regarding what 2 phosphorylation takes place. One is from ferredoxin to cytochrome B6. One more is called cytochrome B6 to regarding what cytochrome F. Third thing, for cyclic protophosphorylation, NADP plus not reduced to NADP H2. But non-cyclic protophosphorylation, 2 molecules of NADP plus reduced into 2 molecules of NADP H2. This is a commonly called as difference between cyclic and non-cyclic protophosphorylations. Yes. So light reaction is completed as well as cyclic and non-cyclic protophosphorylation. Next, I am going to discuss about regarding what dark reaction. So you know that these reaction no need to light. Even the absence of light, that process will be carried out. But who is to be killed for that the formations of regarding what carbohydrates or starch? End product of light reaction. What is the end product of light reaction? ATP and NADPH2. Where can I calculate this? Yes. So what is the end product of light reaction? ATP and NADPH2. Carbon dioxide is reduced into regarding what carbohydrates. How the carbohydrates are formed? That's all. It should be known clearly from dark reaction. Okay. Some other names are given regarding a dark reaction. Dark reaction is also known as C3 pathway. C3 pathway or dark reaction also called what? PCR pathway. What is called PCR? Photosynthetic carbon reduction pathway. What is that? Photosynthetic carbon reduction pathway. There are so many kinds of names given. Okay. Dark reaction who are first discovered is commonly called as Melvin Galvin. But who are discovered? That cycle or the kinds of pathway who are first discovered regarding what? Melvin Galvin. So it's also known as Galvin cycle. How to explain what Galvin cycle means? All kinds of plant fix carbon dioxide through cyclic way. He was the first person to explain all kinds of green plant fix the carbon dioxide through cyclic way. He was the first person. No other scientist to be explained carbon dioxide fix regarding what cyclic way. He never explained. But he was the first to explain. What? All green plants, atmospheric carbon dioxide, it can be fixed by the manner of cyclic way. That's why to be say the arc reaction, C3 pathway, PCR pathway, it's also known as Galvin cycle because he was the first to discover. Carbon dioxide fixation, it can take place three kinds of ways. First one, fixation. Second one, reduction. Third one, regenerations of RUBB. So the green plants fix atmospheric carbon dioxide. These are fixed through cyclic way by means of three kinds of way, namely fixation, second thing reduction, third thing regeneration. And I can regarding the first one, what I call fixation. So RUBB obtain easily available atmospheric carbon dioxide. So what kind of RUBB do you know? Ribulose bisphosphate. What do you mean that? Ribulose bisphosphate. This is a common colors of a carbon compound. Carbon dioxide is one carbon compound. So 5 plus 1 what that? 6. So RUBB that can be occurred green plants of leaves. Direct 5 carbon, absorb atmospheric carbon dioxide, together to produce 2 molecules of PGA. What is PGA? Phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid, which enzyme to be help formations of regarding what a PGA with the help of enzyme RUBB carboxylase, which enzyme to be help RUBB carboxylase to help 5 carbon plus 1 carbon is a 6 carbon, which is are unstable. That unstable compound is a breakdown releasing 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound because 6 carbon divided into 2, that's a 2 molecules, each one to regarding what 3 carbon. So convert 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound is commonly what? Phosphoglyceric acid with the help of enzyme RUBB carboxylase. It's a common fixation. So atmospheric carbon dioxide to be fixed through RUBB. That's the first thing. Second thing, reduction. What will be going to be reduction? What is the fixation common product? 2 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid. There are two molecules of phosphoglyceric acid is undergo regarding but reduction. That reduction at the end of the nature, two molecules of phosphoglyceric acid to give to produce two molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate through the process of reduction. Two molecules of phosphoglyceric acid is undergo reduction at the end of the nature. They can be produced two molecules of regarding what glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. But that two molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is obtained within two steps. Can I give the first steps? Two molecules of phosphoglyceric acid converted into two molecules of 1,3 bis phosphoglyceric acid. The first step, two molecules of phosphoglyceric acid converted into two molecules of 1,3 bis phosphoglyceric acid with the help of enzyme PGA kinase. But what is the essentiality that the equation is called? Each molecule can receive 1 ATP. So how much given? 2. So what that? 2 ATP. Okay. Two molecules of phosphoglyceric acid is converted into two molecules of 1,3 bis phosphoglyceric acid with the help of enzyme regarding what is PGA kinase. Each molecule is obtained or receive 1 ATP, which is regarding what 2 ATP is generated in the first steps. Second steps, that two molecules of 1,3 bis phosphoglyceric acid reduction, you know? Yes. Two molecules of phosphoglyceric acid is reduced into two molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. With the help of enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. Each molecule it can be received regarding what 1 NADH2. So totally 2 NADPH2 is generated. So I am asking a question like this: up to reduction, how much ATP and how much NADPH2 is regarding what produced? 2 ATP and 2 NADPH2. So okay, fixation it must be carried out through regarding what REBP. The REBP fix atmospheric carbon dioxide, the first to be given regarding two molecules of phosphoglyceric acid. That two molecules of phosphoglyceric acid undergo reduction. After within two steps, the reduction it can be greased to produce two molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. That is two molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate that involvements of so many kinds of steps, that molecule which can be reduced. After that, again REBP is produced. That should be say regenerations of REBP. Yeah, can I go regarding what the cyclic manner? Let's come to point. RUBB plus carbon dioxide. RUBB plus carbon dioxide. RUBB plus carbon dioxide. You know, I am already telling about you. Fixations of carbon dioxide happen regarding what 3 cyclic manner. Who discover? Melvin Galvin, so called Galvin cycle. So I am already telling you. These are 5 carbon, these are 1 carbon. So 6 carbon is included into 2 molecules. Phosphoglyceric acid, phosphoglyceric acid. Here also phosphoglyceric acid, phosphoglyceric acid. Here also phosphoglyceric acid, phosphoglyceric acid. that a phosphoglyceric acid at the end of producing what is the forming? Two molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Here come the part. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. So I am already indicating to you up to regarding water reduction, how much ATP and how much NADPH2 that can be generated convert. Please, it is must to ATP and to NADPH2. To ATP to NADPH2. Next, so go to the third step is called that what? Regenerations of REBP. How the REBP regarding what again to be formed like this? Come to point. Some of the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate converted into dihydroxyacetone phosphate. What is that? DHAP. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate. So some of the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is a converted regarding what? Dihydroxyacetone phosphate. That is an interconvertible. So here also, some of the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate converted into dihydroxyacetone phosphate. These are interconvertible. Then third one. Some of the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted into dihydroxyacetone phosphate. These are also called regarding what interconvertible. Okay. Yes. Next one. Come to back. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate combined with the dihydroxyacetone phosphate in first carbon dioxide fixation. Because the first, this is the second, this is the third. In first carbon dioxide fixation, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate which can be combined to produce fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. What is that? Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Because but one thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, like it must be commenced. What indicate is commanded as bis. If it is one is not there, you don't indicate regarding what bis. Okay, yeah. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, dihydroxyacetone phosphate combined together, which must be formed regarding what? Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate is dephosphorylated. The second word, Ramola phosphate. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate is dephosphorylated to form fructose 6-phosphate.
Sir.
Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate is dephosphorylated into fructose 6-phosphate. Now, fructose 6-phosphate in first carbon reaction combined with second carbon dioxide fixations of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. After the combine of fructose 1,6 phosphate from first carbon dioxide fixation to second carbon reaction of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, they can be generated or they can be produced through two different kinds of products, namely ribose 5-phosphate, erythroth 4-phosphate. R5B, ribose 5-phosphate. What called the erythrose 4-phosphate. Come to point. Fructose 1,6 phosphate is Coming to second carbonation fictions of glycerol 3-phosphate, they can be produced to different kinds of product, namely ribose 5-phosphate and the erythrose 4-phosphate. Ribose 5-phosphate must be left then. Erythrose 4-phosphate combined with 7 carbonation fixations of dihydroxyacetone phosphate, they can be grease to produce only one product, namely called as pseudoheptulose 1,7 bisphosphate. What do you call it? SE pseudoheptulose 1,7 bisphosphate. Look here. Pseudoheptulose 1,7 bisphosphate is also undergo dephosphorated. What is dephosphorated? Remolar phosphate. So one phosphate is left. So what is remaining compound? Pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate. Next, the pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate combined with third carbon reduction fixations of glycerol 3-phosphate. These are also again going to produce two different kinds of product, namely called as ribose 5-phosphate and xylulose 5-phosphate. Ribose 5-phosphate I am already indicating to you. What I call that one? Xylulose 5-phosphate. Next, ribose 5-phosphate is a 5 carbon. Ribose 5-phosphate is a 5 carbon. Xylulose 5 is a 5 carbon. These 3 5 carbon converted into Ru5b. What I call Ru5b? That means call ribulose 5-phosphate. Next compound. Ribulose 5-phosphate is phosphorylated. What do we call phosphorylated? The process of formations of ATP from regarding what ADP. Look here, the ribulose 5-phosphate from ATP, one phosphate is a pickup. Again to be forming RUBB. So what is the title of regarding what third one? Regenerations of RUBB. It's a came, you know. So how it can be came? 5 carbon ribose 5-phosphate, 5 carbon ribose 5-phosphate, 5 carbon cellulose 5-phosphate. Those 3 is converted into ribulose 5-phosphate. All ribulose 5-phosphate is phosphorylated in the presence of ATP to form RUBB. So that's a called regenerations of RUBB. Now count upon each RUBB enter into each cycle. So the whole process is completed. What I am asking question to you is called, what is net gain of regarding what dark reaction? This is a net gain. What is DHAP? Dihydroxyacetone phosphate. These are commonly called a 3 carbon compound. So you know that you keenly study about regarding what chemistry. What is the glucose? How much carbon compound? 6 carbon compound. Glucose, you know. So how? You know, I am going to tell you about you. using end product of light reaction, that's called ATP and NADPH2, utilizing carbon dioxide reduced into regarding what carbohydrate, that's called glucose or starch, whatever may be. These are 3 carbon compound is not yet to produce regarding what glucose. But how can it produce glucose? The plants are having only one dark reaction? No. So many kinds of dark reaction happen. So here along with one more dark reaction takes place. So one more dark reaction takes place means there red gas is given. Isn't it? This is called dihydroxyacetone phosphate. So here also one dihydroxyacetone phosphate is available. These also regarding what 3 carbon. These three carbon combine 6 carbon. That's a compound called glucose. So in a dark reaction, the red kind is regarding what dihydroxyacetone phosphate. It is 3 carbon. It is not able to produce regarding what glucose. The 3 carbon compound dihydroxyacetone phosphate combined with another one dark reaction of dihydroxyacetone phosphate. After combination, it can be used to produce 6 carbon compound. That's what we use to produce regarding what glucose. Okay, the only one question to ask that. Up to reduction, they can be produced regarding what 2 ATP, 2 NADPH2. For each cycle, how much ATP and how much NADP is produced in commodity called as up to reduction 2 ATP to NADPH2. For each cycle, already here 2 ATP is given, then 1 ATP. Here already 2 ATP is given, here 1 ATP. Already here 2 ATP is given, so 1 ATP. So what that? Each cyclic that can be produced regarding what? 3 ATP, 2 NADPH2. These are called dark reaction. The next class can be discussed about Hatch-Slag pathway, also called C4 pathway, and the C2 cycle can discuss. Thank you.